So the topic for the day is futur proche. Now, when I talk about futur proche, there are two words in it. One is futur, which means future. Another word is proche, which means near. So, what we are going to talk about today is the near future. Okay? That means when something is about to happen very soon, this is the immediate future, not just a farther future, not something which will probably happen after years or maybe next year or so, but something which is going to happen maybe this evening, next morning, or in this coming 1 or 2 weeks. Make sense? So we are not talking about something which is beyond, maybe when we say in English, I will go for a maybe I will go to Paris next year. I am not talking about will, shall, future. What I am talking about is when you say, I am going to do this evening. I am going to go out with my friends this evening. I am going to complete my homework tomorrow. Makes sense? So we are talking about a future which is, of course, yet to happen. That is why it is future. And it is certain to happen that it will surely happen, but in a very immediate time span or very soon. Makes sense to all of you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
For this kind of future
Yes, ma'am.
tense, we need to learn, or we can say recall, not learn, because we have seen this verb earlier, people. What is this verb? Tell me.
Ale.
Ale. Yes, ale
Verb.
verb. Do we all remember ale? This was one of our helping verbs we did, the irregular verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what does ale
Yeah,
mean?
with you.
Yes.
What does ale mean? To go. Correct? To go. So when I talk about ale verb, please understand, I have to really, you can, I would not say mug up, but I have to really have its conjugation by heart ready with me. Okay. So let's say the conjugation once again so that
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can all recall. Ale verb is conjugated as je vais, tu vas,
Je vais. Tu vas.
il va,
Il va.
elle va,
Elle va.
Elva. Elva.
nous allons,
Nous allons.
vous allez,
Vous allez.
ils vont,
Ils vont.
elles vont.
Elva.
Elles vont.
Yes. And
Elles
the
vont.
meaning was I go or I am going. You go or you are going, right? He goes or he is going. She goes or she is going.
Is
We go or we are going. Vous allez was you all go or you all are going. Ils vont became they go or they are going, and elles vont is also they go or they are going. Correct? Do we remember this bit? This is the prerequisite that you have done in A1. Okay, that is, you have done a lesson on ale verb. Correct? Do we all remember this bit? The meaning of this verb and the conjugation now? We really need it, people.
Yes.
We really need it. Okay?
Yes.
I'll show you a few sentences as examples to this particular tense. Like if I have to say je vais au lac, that means I'm going to the lake. Je vais au lac. Or it can also mean I go to the lake. Because in French, present simple and present continuous, we tend to have the same. Right? Nous allons à la campagne. We go to the countryside or we are going to the countryside. So that is how you conjugate ale verb. Correct? They are going to the cafeteria.
yes, ma'am.
That would become elles vont au café. Elles vont au café. Fine? Or they go to
Ma'am,
the
it can
cafeteria.
also mean they go to the cafeteria. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. They are going or they go. Clear? These examples are clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tu ne vas pas au théâtre. If we make negation, what was the way of making negation? How did we make negative in French? We've learned it.
Nepa.
Ne
Nepa.
pas.
Nepa.
Ne
Ne
and
pas.
pa.
So you enclose the verb.
No and pa.
Yes, you enclose the verb between ne and pa. So you have it as ne plus verb plus pa. Remember? So the same thing
Yes,
would
ma'am.
happen for ale verb as well. When you make negative, your ale verb would be enclosed with napa. That means you do not go to the theater or you are not going to the theater. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when I talk about the future proche that we are supposed to be doing today, which is the immediate future or something that you are going to do. You have to understand that these events are definitely going to happen. That means it is certain that they will happen, but sometime in the near future. Just to make you can even say, easily differentiate between the simple future, I have written it as no longer than the 3 weeks time. Okay? But actually, it does mean that it is very soon to happen in the coming weeks. Clear? Then you have to understand we will always and always use ale verb for this tense. Why? Because there is a formula that you follow for this particular tense. You first put the subject, then you put ale verb, then you put the infinitive form of the main verb. For example, I would do je. Je takes ale in which form? It's je, vais.
Jawai.
Way.
Je
Jaway.
vais. So je vais. Now the verb that I have is manger. Do you all remember manger? What was the meaning?
Yes, ma'am. To
To
eat.
eat.
To
To
eat.
eat.
To eat.
So I am
I
going.
go to eat the fruits.
They frites. Frites are fries, the French fries. So je vais
Oh,
manger des frites. Okay, je vais manger des frites. That means I am going to eat some fries. Have you really eaten these fries? Are we talking about something you have done?
No.
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 Are we talking
We
about
are
something that
going
you
to.
are doing right now?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
We are
ma'am.
talking about something that is yet to happen for sure. And it is going to happen very soon because you are saying, I'm going to eat some fries. Okay, I'm just about to have them. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll show you a few more examples. Tu vas faire la fête. So, tu vas
You go
faire
to
la
the.
fête.
What is fete, ma'am?
Just a second, people. Priya, there is some audio issue from your end. Please either try to mute, unmute something, or maybe reconnect. Yes. So, Manashwi, Piyushi, Swati, you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am. What is fete?
Party.
of course. Yes,
Party.
fête is party. So, faire la fête is to do party. Okay, or to party itself. Fine. Faire la fête means to party. Fine. So, tu
I'm
vas
going
faire
to
la
do the
fête.
party.
Yes, I am going to party. Right? So I'm going to party. मैं party करने वाला हूँ. That means you are just about to do it. Okay? Clear? Next one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Dama, il va faire chaud. Tomorrow, it is going to be hot. Okay? Remember we used faire verb to tell the weather? We had done il
Yes,
fait
ma'am.
chaud in present tense. So this is futur proche. So it is going to be hot. Fine? Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Nous allons aller au parc. Nous allons aller.
We
What is
are
that?
going to the park.
We are going to the park would
going
be
to the
present
park.
tense. This are we are going to go to the park. Okay, you are yet to do it.
Okay.
If you say you are going to the park, that means you are actually doing it right now. But we are talking about something you are yet to do. So we are going to go to the park. Yeah? The point is here, allons has come because you had to put ale verb, and ale has again come because ale is also our main verb. Just like here the main verb was fair, here the main verb itself is ale. Okay? Clear? Yes, Swati, what's the question?
I just want to ask कि हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि अगर कोई सेंटेंस हमारे पास ऐसे लिखा है तो how will know that it is future proche or normal sentence?
if the sentence is written in future prosh, you would have two verbs, and the first verb will be ale, and the second verb will be as it is without any conjugation. And if the sentence is normal,
Okay, okay.
you would have had only nous allons au parc. That is just the ale verb. If it was normal, you would have had it as il fait chaud. You would not take it as il va faire chaud. Make sense? So the
Okay,
presence
ma'am.
of ale
Got it.
verb and the next verb in the infinitive tells you that it is futur proche. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can we all do this sentence? I am going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
speak French. Can you make it in French? I am going to speak French. This is in English. Make it in.
Je vais,
Mhm.
je, euh, je vais नहीं,
Je
appel,
vais parler.
je vais appel
parler.
français.
Je vais parler.
Je vais parler.
Parler.
To speak.
Parler.
Je vais
Je veux
parler
parler
français.
Je
Français.
vais parler français.
Je vais parler français. Okay, je vais parler français. I am going to speak French. Aller verb conjugated, and parler is the verb which is our main verb, and it remains as it is. Clear? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you please understand, you have to take this into consideration that when we are talking of immediate future, in English we tend to add is mr, but in French we are not adding être verb for that matter. You are not explicitly putting is mr. It does mean is mr only. Okay. If you say je vais parler français, it means I am going to speak French. You are not putting anything for saying I am. Okay. So you are not adding explicitly for is mr. You just simply add aller verb. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Let's do these sentences in the class itself. I'll give you a moment. Take 2-3 minutes. There are a few sentences in front of you. I'll solve the first one for you people so that you know what you're supposed to be doing. These sentences are in present tense. You have to make this, or you can say change the same sentence into futur proche. That means currently it is je fais du ski. That is, I do skiing or I am doing skiing. You have to make futur proche. So, je
vais
vais. And what is the verb?
faire
Faire. So, je
Faire.
vais faire du ski. Can you see that in the chat, people? Je vais faire du ski. I am going to do skiing. Fine?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, it was just I do skiing or I am doing skiing. But now it has become I am going to do skiing. Clear? Saloni, Tipasha, Ria, Rachit. Are we all together?
Yes.
yes.
Is this in clear how future proche is working and why do we need this tense actually?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please do the rest 4 sentences, then we'll discuss. I'm waiting for you people. Everyone ready with your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
it starts with Il fait du soleil. That means Il fait du soleil.
ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, but what
Yeah,
does that
ma'am.
mean first? Tell me. Du soleil. Where did we do that? Il fait du soleil.
It is,
Ma'am.
it is sunny,
Weather.
ma'am.
Sunny weather.
It is
Sunny
sunny.
weather.
This is weather. It is sunny. So how would you make it in future now?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Just a sec, Manasvi. Yes, tell me.
Il va être du soleil.
No, this is not être verb. Wait, Ria. Which
Ma'am,
one is
il
it?
va faire,
Hmm.
il va faire
Faire
du
du
soleil.
soleil. Correct. Because Manasvi, you went wrong with the identification of the verb. It's not être verb, it is faire verb. Okay. Il va faire du soleil. So the main verb that you had to put into infinitive form was faire, not être. Clear, Manasvi?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Saloni, can you do the next one for us? Saloni, dear, you are not audible.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, you are. Tell me.
Okay. Nous allons aller au théâtre.
Yeah, but what is the sentence and what does it mean in present tense?
Okay. We are going to the we are going to the theater and we are going to go to the theater is the
Correct.
conversion.
Correct. So we are going to the theater is the present tense. Nous allons au théâtre. Now, when you make the futur proche, you are right. It should be we are going to go to the theater. So how would you do that?
Nous allons
Allons
aller.
aller.
Yes, very good. Nous allons aller au théâtre. Because you will put allons as you had to conjugate aller verb, and then your main verb also is aller. So you will put aller. Okay, so nous allons aller au théâtre. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Apeksha, would you like to try the next one, please?
Oui.
Yeah, tell me.
Vous allez jouer au foot.
But what is the sentence and what does that mean?
You are playing football. You are going to
Yes,
play football.
you are playing football and the future proche should be you are going to play football. That's correct. So what is your answer in future proche? Tell me.
Vous allez
Hmm.
jouer au foot.
Jouer au foot because it will come infinitive.
Jouer au
Vous allez jouer au foot. You are going to play football.
jouer au
Yes.
Oui.
Okay, good job. Next one, Rachit, would you try?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Tu vas aller à l'école.
very good. And what is the sentence in present tense? What does it mean?
I go to the school.
Correct.
No.
I go to you.
Yeah.
You. Tuva.
You. Sorry.
You go to the
Yeah.
school or you are going to the school.
Yeah.
And when you make future proche, it would become
Tu vas aller.
Tu vas aller
tu
à
vas
l'école.
aller à l'école. That is, you are going to go to the school. You are yet to do that action. Make sense
Yeah.
to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the same thing
Yes, ma'am.
in negatives. Okay. When I talk about negative, so when I talk about negatives, you have to make sure that you always remember the rule no plus verb plus pa. Now you have two verbs in this tense. One is ale and one is the main verb. Correct? The verb that you are conjugating will take nerpa. That means nerpa would come around ale. You will not go and look into the next verb, whatever it is. Yes? So you would make it something like je ne vais pas manger au café. I am not going to eat at the cafe. So you will not put it after the second verb. You don't need to do that. What you need to do with nerpa is you will just enclose our ale verb with nerpa. Am I making sense to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I'm not going to eat
At the cafe.
like that, ma'am.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
not going to eat. So to go, ale verb will take negation. Okay, not to eat.
Okay.
Next one is vous n'allez pas manger des pommes. So you see, ale verb enclosed with nerpa. You are not going to
You are
eat
not
apples.
to eat apples.
Okay, fine,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
clear to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So vous n'allez pas manger des pommes. Now write it in your notes. It's not going to be windy. Anyone remembers what was about windy? What was the sentence in present tense? Windy?
No.
No one? I'll help
Sorry,
you.
ma'am. I couldn't hear your question.
I'm saying when we said it is windy, what is in present tense? It
Yeah.
is windy.
Went, ma'am.
Vent, not went,
something.
vent. So the
Vent.
present wala tense was il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. Okay. So when you make it
Il
negative-
fait du vent.
yes, in present tense. In negative, it was il ne fait pas du vent. Okay, for the windy. Now you have to make it in future proche. The negative form in the future. It is not going to be windy. What should that be? Try it, then let me know.
Il
Il va faire
Wait.
n'est pas
Wait, guys.
du vent.
Let Piyushi answer, please. Yes, Piyushi.
Okay. Il n'est pas du vent.
Il ne va pas faire du vent. We'll have faire verb as
Faire.
well. So, il ne va pas faire du vent. Okay?
Va
Faire du vent, because faire verb will come in infinitive form, right? So, il ne va pas
Yes.
faire du vent. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we all have the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. Il ne va pas faire du vent. This was your right answer. Okay? Next part. Again, the same thing. You will see these sentences. They are all in present tense. Of course, they are negative. You will have to keep them in negation only, but you have to try and make futur proche for the same. Okay? Negative, but futur proche. Clear? So everyone, what
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
supposed to do? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it, then we'll discuss the answers. So, everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Je ne fais pas du scat. Okay. I'll ask Vikas. What does this sentence mean and how you should make it in future proche?
Ma'am, future होगा je ne vais pas faire pas उसका.
There's just one pa. You won't have two pa. Yeah.
Sorry, मैं ऐसे देख के बोलता हूँ.
Yeah. So, je ne vais pas faire du scat. Okay. Je ne vais pas faire du scat. Correct? So, I don't do skating. I am not going to do skating. Clear? Okay. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Dipasha, can you do the next? Dipasha, are you there with us? I think there's some audio issue. Anshul, can you do the next one? Dear, if you're speaking, you're on mute, Anshul.
Elle ne va pas faire du jogging.
Yes. Elle ne va
Elle
pas
ne va pas faire
du
du jogging.
jogging. Correct. Okay. So that means in present it was she doesn't do jogging. Now she is not going to do jogging. Okay. Good job. Saloni, would you like to give it a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So it would be il ne va pas faire du. Faire du.
Yes, il ne va pas faire beau. So il ne fait beau, it is not nice. The weather is not nice basically.
Not nice.
So il ne va pas faire
The
beau,
weather is not going to
be nice. Correct. The weather is not going to be nice. Good job. Apeksha, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Nous n'allons
Hmm.
pas jouer la batterie.
Okay. So you are saying nous n'allons. Is it EZ?
Nous n'allons.
Nous n'allons. Correct. So nous n'allons pas jouer de la batterie. Okay.
And can I tell the meaning?
Yes, of course, I will. Nous n'allons pas jouer de la batterie. Jouer de la batterie
We are
means
not.
playing drums. It's playing drums. Okay. So when you say nous ne jouons pas de la batterie in present tense, it means we are not playing drums. In future proche, it would become we are not going to play drums. Okay. Rachit, last one.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not sure, but I'll try. Il ne va pas vont à la mer.
If you say ne va pas and vont both, that means you are putting va with L. Will that be correct? This is L plural. So what do you put?
Okay.
Remember? Je vais,
Ale.
tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez. What is il, elle? Plural?
Vont.
Correct. So, elles ne vont pas. And then the aller verb will
Okay,
be
elles ne vont pas.
adjective, right? So, elles ne vont pas
Okay.
aller à la mer. We are not going to go to the sea. Mer, people, is sea.
मैम
Okay? Yes, Vikas?
मैम जब कोई इन्फिनेटिव वर्ब फॉर्म नहीं होता तो वहां पे हम आले वर्ब यूज कर रहे हैं.
No. Just because it's already vont, that means your main verb itself was ale. Okay? It's not that there is no verb. Ale is the main verb. So you are putting ale as it is because here jouer was as it is, here faire was as it is. So whichever is the main verb, it is in infinitive form. It comes as it is without any conjugations. Okay. The point is you have to have two verbs in future prosh. Ale will get conjugated irrespective of whichever is the second verb. Okay. Here in this sentence, the new thing was that ale verb was the helping verb as well as the main verb. So you conjugated ale to make future prosh as ale is the helping verb. Then you put ale in infinitive because ale is also the main verb. Make sense, Vikas?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Clear? To everyone? How are we making future
Yes,
prosh?
ma'am.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt still here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
We'll do one little exercise. It will be more clear then. Just a sec. So we'll do a little exercise to make it more clear, people. Okay. We'll follow the same formula. Just now we did ale in present tense and then the infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive is that the unconjugated form of the main verb. So I'll just tell you a few words before we move on to the exercise, which can be used as the tense markers or the expressions of time when you use future tense. Like in present tense, you could say something like aujourd'hui, that is today.
Today.
So when you talk about
Today.
future, you can all
Tomorrow.
use the word as dama. Everyone, dama,
The ma.
Dama.
Sama.
which means tomorrow. Okay. When you were in present tense, you said cette semaine. That means this week. Now you can say something as la semaine prochaine. La semaine prochaine means next week. La semaine prochaine, everyone.
Last man.
La semaine prochaine.
This month, ce mois or ce mois-ci. The next month, le mois prochain. Le mois prochain. Le mois prochain. This year.
Samoa.
Yes, Saloni?
Ma'am, Samoa-si is.
This month. You can simply say.
There's a lot of echo, honestly, ma'am. With
Okay.
okay.
So I'm saying you don't
This
need a
month.
C. You can
Last
simply say ce mois. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of la semaine prochaine?
Next month. Next month. Mois is month. Okay. Semaine is week. We did days of the week, months of the year, right? So mois. When you say this
Yes, ma'am.
year, it is cette année. Cette année. Next year,
Ane.
l'année prochaine.
Cette année.
L'année prochaine.
L'année prochaine.
Next year. Okay. Okay. So we'll do a little exercise here where you have to put it into future proche. What you're supposed to be doing in this is you have subjects here, okay, and the complete sentence is in the second column. What you're supposed to do is you are supposed to be matching the subject to the right, you can say the conjugation, which could actually go with that particular subject, so that it makes a meaningful and grammatically correct sentence. Clear? So I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please match these sentences to make the right sentence. Are we all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So, Akshay, the first one is marry. So, marry should take which one?
तुक्का ही मारो मैंने.
Okay.
Last sixth one. Sixth.
Sixth one. Okay. And what made you guess that? What was the thing that got married with va se repose?
Marry and exams. I thought mainly it should be second one. La to diya and then exam should be connected. I guess.
Not that. The point is it is va. So, marry is ill form, right? That is he, she
Yes.
form.
Ill.
So,
Yes. Ill.
va,
Yes. 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 Yes.
va would come with ill, correct? So
Yes.
that is why marry will take va form. Marry va se repose après ses examens. Marry va se repose means she is going to relax after her exams. So it's for marry, which is a third person singular. So you would put ill form. That is why you are putting it. Makes sense now?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, because if it is les
Yes,
étudiants,
ma'am.
what should be the match?
Ma'am, what is sir?
First,
Just a second. Yes, Manasvi.
Ma'am, what is sir?
We'll do these verbs. Se repose means to relax. Okay? Fine, to relax. So,
Okay.
these are reflexive verbs. These are reflexive verbs. We'll do these reflexive verbs in A2 itself. Okay? Yeah. Yes. First option. So, Vikas, why did you choose les étudiants with the first option?
ma'am, it is ill from S verb.
Plural,
So
correct.
उसमें
Very good. Ill plural form. Les étudiants, which is ill plural form. So it will go with ne vont pas arriver à l'heure. They are not going to arrive at time, on time. Make sense? So les étudiants ne vont pas
Yes, ma'am.
arriver à l'heure. Okay. Good job. Next one. Rachit, would you like to give this try? Ton frère et toi.
I haven't done this one.
No issues. It's a little tricky. I understand. Who is sure of the answer? Anshul, Apeksha?
And fourth one.
Okay.
Ma'am, second.
Second.
Ma'am, second one.
Second.
Second
I guess it
one.
is say.
So what
Are you
made you
fair?
say? Yeah. What made you say second one, Ria? What brought you to the second one?
Father and you.
Is it says where are you from and it's Ireland and that's why.
No.
Your
No.
father and you.
No. You have to look into the conjugation.
No.
So ton
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
frère
second.
et toi. Your brother and you. That means it is plural of you form. So what is plural of you?
Nous allez.
No.
Who.
Woo. Correct. Woo.
Zale.
So if you have plural of you as woo, that means you will take woo form into consideration and woo form is aller. So the sentence would complete as ton frère et toi allez en Irlande. Your brother and you are going to go to Ireland. Makes sense now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshul, this is easy. What should be je?
Fifth, je vais.
Je vais fifth. Je vais partir à 18h. I am going to leave at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Je vais partir à 18h. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saloni, can you
Yes.
give it a try? Mes amis et moi.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. I guess it would be the fourth one. Mes amis et moi allons travailler sur un projet
Important. Very good. Mes amis et moi allons travailler sur un projet important. What made us do this? Saloni?
Ma'am, it's the V form. Like
Correct.
mes amis et moi means me, my friends and me.
Correct. My friends
So
and
we
me.
sent.
So V form. So this is V form. That is why you will put nous form. And nous takes allons. So nous allons travailler. Make sense? So mes amis et moi allons travailler. My friends and I are going to work on an important project. Projet important. Okay? Good job. Last one.
Third option.
Okay. Because Thiu will take
Va.
Va.
VAS, right? So, tu vas bien t'amuser à la fête de Vincent. You are going to have fun or enjoy yourselves. Okay, amuser is to have fun or to enjoy. So, you are going to have fun or enjoy yourselves at the party of Vincent. Fête is party. Fine? Clear to all?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now, for
Yes.
homework, you are supposed to be doing this second question, people. We'll meet on Monday, right? So till Monday, you have to do this question where the first part of the sentence is here. The second part of the sentence is out of these verbs written here. But any of these verbs should be written in future proche to make a meaningful, grammatically correct sentence. Okay? So if you see être malade means to be sick. Correct?
Sick.
To be sick. Pleuvoir is to pleuvoir. To
Rain.
correct. To rain.
Raining.
Correct. So you will have to see to the meanings of all these verbs. Then only you will put it here, right? So if you have to
Fermer means close though. Close,
yes,
ma'am.
fermer is close. Correct. Fermer is close. So you will have to basically put these verbs here to complete the sentence, but you have to make sure you put it in future proche. Clear? To all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of wheat?
Wheat is quick. Quick. And do check your meanings from word reference if you face any difficulty. Okay. In the fifth question also, you are supposed to be doing the same thing. You have to fill in the verbs according to the meaning in future proche in the respective sentences. And you are supposed to be making meaningful, grammatically correct sentences in future proche. Clear? These are the verbs given. You have to fill these verbs in future proche in this. So for homework, you have two questions. Question number 2. Riya, there is
Richa ma'am,
still network issue. Yes, Piyushi?
in the fifth question, we don't have to change the form of the verbs. We have to use the verbs that are given.
Yes, you have to use the same verb, but you can't put them just like this. You'll first conjugate ale before them, no? Because you are putting future proche as well. So you'll have to conjugate ale and then put the verb. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so homework is question number 2 and question number 5. Fine. All of you please make a note. Question number 2 and question number 5. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this
And ma'am,
is Hanji.
Saturday or
Sorry, Piyushi.
meeting on Saturday or Monday?
We are meeting on Saturday. It's Monday already.
We don't.
Yeah, we are meeting on Saturday
Yes.
at 6. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we are meeting on Saturday at 6. Then next Monday at 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so till Saturday, you can complete this. And I would just want, if you want to do more practice, I'm always available for you. You can write a few sentences using future proche. You can send those sentences to me and I'll be glad to check them. Okay? You can make sentences in future proche. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah. Just like you've been making sentences earlier, try to use them in the future proche. That's it. Okay? Clear? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
guys. Bonsoir. Au revoir.
Bonsoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Asamdi. You're welcome. Je vous en prie. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Merci,
revoir.
au revoir.
Au revoir. Je vous en prie. Bye. Take care.
Merci, ma'am.
Je vous en prie.